So let's see the next chapter, chapter 14, indefinite integral part 2. So our first question is integration 6x minus 8 divided by 3x square minus 8x plus 5 into dx, right? So in this case, we have to put the denominator. So your denominator is 3x square minus 8x plus 5 as t, right? Now, after putting, differentiate it with respect to x. So it will be 6x minus of 8 equal to dt upon dx, right? Now take the dx on the left hand side. So it will be dx 6x minus 8 into dx is equal to dt. Now put the value in the original integration equation. Then it will be I equal to integration. Instead of 6x minus 8 dx, you can write dt, right? And whole denominator will become t. And as we know, 1 upon t is nothing but it is log. So it will become log of t plus c, right? After getting the answer, now put the value of t. Then it will be log of 3x square minus 8x plus 5 plus c. So this will be the final answer. So please write it down now and follow the same rule for the second one. Now look at the second sum. Integration dx upon 3 minus 5x, right? So this is the substitution method. So you have to put the denominator as t. So put 3x minus 5x as t, right? After that you have to differentiate, right? Second step is differentiate it with respect to x, right? So this is the first step, this is the second one. So constant differentiation is 0, minus 5. X differentiation is 1. And t differentiation is dt upon dx, right? So it is nothing but it is minus 5 dx is equal to dt. So we have to get the dx. So dx is equal to dt upon minus 5, right? So these two value 1 and 2 have to put in the given equation, this value, right? These are the two steps. So put here instead of dx, what we have to put dt upon minus 5. So it is dt upon minus 5, right? Instead of 3 minus 5x, we have to put t. So it will be t. Now take the constant outside. So it will be minus 1 upon 5 integration dt upon t. And as we know, this will be the log, right? So answer will be minus 1 upon 5 log of t. Instead of t, put the original value, that is 3 minus 5x. So it will be minus 1 upon 5 log of 3 minus 5x plus c. So this is the answer we are getting. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now see the fourth sum. So fourth sum is I equal to integration cosec square x into dx divided by 1 plus cot x, right? So you have to put the denominator, right? So put here cos t as, right? So you can put now 1 plus cot x as t. So 1 differentiation is 0. Cot is nothing but it is minus cosec square x into dx equal to dt, right? Equal to dt, right? So I equal to integration. So minus can be written here. So it is cosec square x into dx is equal to minus dt, right? So put here minus dt upon 1 plus cot x. So it can be written as t, right? So take the minus outside, integration dt upon t. So this can be written as minus of log of t plus c. Now put the value, so it will be minus log. T can be written as 1 plus cot of x, right, plus c. So this will be the answer of integrated I equal to, right. So this is the final answer for you. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now see the next sum. Integration sec x into log sec x plus tan x dx, right. So this part you have to put in t, right. So it will become now, after putting log of sec x plus tan of x, right, you have to put it as t, so equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x, right, differentiating both sides, differentiating both sides, you will get 1 upon log differentiation is 1 upon x, right. So it will be 1 upon sec x plus tan of x, right. Then again differentiate the sec x plus tan of x by dx is equal to dt by dx, right. So numerator will, now you have to differentiate. So sec x differentiation is sec x into tan of x, and tan differentiation is sec square of x divided by sec x plus tan of x, right, equal to dt upon dx. Now take the common sec x from this part. Sec x is common, right. So it is sec x into sec x, right, sec x common, right. So it will be only tan x remaining, tan x plus sec x divided by sec x plus tan of x. So these part are getting common, right. So we have cancelled it, equal to dt upon dx, right. Now take the dx on the left part, so it will be sec x into dx is equal to dt. So this is the second equation you have to put in the original integration. So I equal to integration of dx into log of sec x plus tan of x into dx, right. So sec x into dx can be written as dt, right. So you can see here it can be written as dt. So it will be dt, and this part will be t, right. So it is integration of t into dt. So power is 1 here. So you have to add. So it will be t square upon 2 plus c, right. Now put the value of t now. So it will be log of sec x plus tan of x whole square, right, divided by 2 plus c is equal to I. So this is the final answer given to you. Please write it down now. Understood?
Yes.